Want to take your React skills to the next level? It's not just about React, it's about mastering the JavaScript concepts that power it. Stick around and I'll show you 3 key JavaScript concepts that'll transform the way you build React apps. Let's dive in. First up, closures. Closures allow a function to retain access to its parent scope even after the parent function has finished executing. Why does this matter in React? Because states and props often rely on closures to handle data dynamically. For example, when using hooks like USH or creating event handlers, closures keep your components efficient and functional. Next, destructuring. This simple ES6 feature can make your code more readable and reduce redundancy. In React, you're constantly working with objects, props, states, and more. Destructuring helps you access the data you need quickly and cleanly. See how much cleaner that looks? It's all about making your code easier to read and maintain. Finally, let's talk about promises and async/await. React apps often fetch data or interact with APIs. Understanding how to handle asynchronous code smoothly is a game changer. Combine this with hooks like useEffect to build powerful real-world apps. And there you have it. Closures, destructuring, and async/await. These are essential JavaScript concepts every React developer should master. Did any of these surprise you? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow developers. Subscribe for more content like this, and as always, keep coding and stay awesome. See you in the next video.